Two, three, go.
Hi guys, today topic is about tender submission medium large building in New Zealand. It is presented by me, Keshav Chauhan, and my Twitter is Joel Kamal. And so the topics today I have covered is tender submission for medium large building in New Zealand, strategies for sourcing supplier, quotations require competitive and reliable cost for one, and the fourth one is criteria evaluating cost quotations. Fifth one is quality compliance and cost competitive assignment assessment, sorry. And the fifth one is negotiation techniques for favorable pricing and contractual terms, and the last one is ensuring successful project delivery. So the first one is tender submission for medium large building in New Zealand. This tender submission proposal provides a detailed plan of how and where to seek supplier quotation, how to assess the bids received, including the most important items, and how negotiate good prices, and terms to ensure a successful delivery of a project in a medium or a large building in New Zealand. Second point is strategies for sourcing supplier quotations. Networking. First point is networking. Enter into the industry and research prospective suppliers and subcontractors through trade events in the local market. Second point is online research. It is also important to conduct incentives, web searches to develop a large pool of potential suppliers with the necessary knowledge and capability to meet the company's needs. The last point is referrals. Ask other satisfied clients and others specialized individuals for recommendations who captured the high quality and efficient suppliers. So, the third point is requesting competitive and reliable costs. Clear scope of work. Ensure that suppliers are fully instructed about the scope of work to be done for them, including detail, specifies the time frame and any conditions. Standardized template. Utilize a standardized quotation format to help suppliers fill out the quotation data in more structured and therefore comparable manner. And timely communication. Suppliers keep regular and constant communication throughout the bidding process in case they have issue they wish to raise. Criteria of evaluating quotations. The first one is technical expertise. Assess the supplier's technical capabilities, relevant experience, and ability to meet the project's specified requirements. And the second point is financial stability. Evaluate the supplier's financial health, including their liquidity, debt levels, and overall financial standing. The third point is past performance. Review the supplier track record, including references and any relevant project history, what he has done. And the last point is pricing competitiveness. Analyze the supplier pricing against industry benchmarks and other received to ensure cost effectiveness. Quality compliance and cost competitiveness assessment. Quality insurance. Implement a robust quality control process to ensure that materials and workmanship met the specified standards. Regulatory compliance. Verify that the suppliers comply with all relevant building codes, safety regulations, and environmental requirements. So the last point is cost optimization. Continuously monitor cost, explore opportunities for saving through value engineers and strategy procurement. Negotiation techniques for favorable pricing and contractual terms. Collaborative approach. Building partner relationships that are oriented toward mutual success and based on the belief that both the company and the supplier will benefit from their interactions. Data-driven negotiations. Market and cost analysis should be utilized to both explain and support the chosen pricing strategies that will ensure fair profitability as well as cost effectiveness. Constructual safeguards. Carefully review and negotiate constructual times to protect the client's interest and mitigate project risks. Cost analysis should be utilized to both explain and support the chosen pricing strategies that will be ensures fair profitability and well as cost effectiveness. Negotiation techniques for favorable pricing and contractual terms. I have written 4 points. The first one is through planning, second one is risk mitigation, third one is supplier confidence, and the fourth one is cost optimization. So the first one is through planning. Ensures the tender process is effective, comprehensive, and aligned with project goals. Second one is risk mitigation, helps identify and address potential challenges before they impact the project. Third one is supplier confidence, demonstrates the client professionalism and complement attracting high quality suppliers. The last one is cost optimization, enables informed decision making and negotiation of favorable pricing and construction terms. Ensuring successful project delivery. So I have written 3 points: collaborative partnerships, quality assurance, continuous improvement. So the first one is collaborative partnership, fostering strong relationship with suppliers and maintaining open communication throughout the project life cycles. Second one is quality assurance, implementing robust quality control measure to ensure materials and workmanship met the highest standards. And the last point is continuous improvement, regulatory reviewing and refining the tender process to optimize efficiency and deliver even better outcomes in the future. So the last one is like I have written conclusion. So I have written again 3 points here: comprehensive preparation, ongoing collaboration, continuous improvement. So the first one is comprehensive preparation through planning and diligent execution of the tender process is crucial for securing the best suppliers and achieving project success. The second one is ongoing collaboration, maintaining strong relationships and open communication with suppliers throughout the project life cycle is the key to ensuring seamless project delivery. The last one is continuous improvement, regularly reviewing and refining the tender process based on lessons learned will help improve efficiency and outcomes for the future projects. These are the things we're gonna learn in this. And here I have write some references from where I have collect all the informations. Conclusion that? That's it, sir. Hold on, sir.
Okay. If you don't like to clap, don't clap, right? Don't show your what do you call kindness and appreciation in a very bad way, right? If I clap like this, how do you
No, sir, in
how do you
parliament.
feel? How do you feel? If I clap like this, how do you feel, Keshav? How do you feel? How do you feel? If I clap like this, how do you feel? You see, how do you feel?
Sir, in parliament, always clap like this.
Parliament is that is you know, right? Parliament
The
people
video
who are the
is
people
on, sir.
from South Asia, especially Who are the people in the parliament?
Advani.
We don't talk about those guys.